Hello, my name is Jonmae Wafford, and the problem of the day is the diamond method. Alright, the equation is 5v squared minus 30v plus 40. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a large X. On the top, a times c. On the bottom is b, which in the equation, a times c is 5v squared and 40. We're going to multiply those two, and that's going to go on the top, and on the bottom is going to go negative 30. Now we have to find what adds up to negative 30, but when you multiply it gets you 200. That would be negative 20 and negative 10. We're going to throw those two in the next part that we're going to have to do, which is the equation 5v squared plus negative 20v plus negative 10v plus 40. Okay, next thing we're going to do is start factoring. 5v squared plus negative 20v is what we're going to factor first. Out of those two, the only thing you could factor out of the two, the GCF, is 5v. Alright. We're gonna put the leftovers in its own set of parentheses, which is v plus negative 4. Now those leftovers should be identical to the leftovers that are going to be in the next set of leftovers for the next time we're going to factor, which is negative 10v plus 40. Okay, when we factor out those two, 10 should be the GCF. The leftovers, like I said before, should be identical, which is v plus negative 4. Okay, next thing we got to do is we got to take v plus negative 4 and make a little equation out of it. That's what we're going to find the roots next. Excuse me. Alright, like I said before, we're going to take v plus negative 4 and make an equation out of it so we can find the roots. When we put it in its own equation, it should look like this when we're finding the roots. It's not the exact same thing, but it's remotely close. Basically, we're going to subtract both sides of the equation. In this case, it would be v plus negative 4 equals 0. When you subtract negative 4 to both sides, you should get 4. V equals 4. And when you do it on this side, 5v plus 10, you subtract 10 to both sides of the equation, 5v equals negative 10. But when you divide negative 10 by 5, v should equal negative 2. So v equals 4 and v equals negative 2 should be the roots. And that's the diamond method.